For single leg kicks, start on your belly, propping yourself up into your elbows with your elbows right underneath shoulders, fists right in line with elbows. Now your hands can either make fists like you're stabbing the mat, or they can be flat. It depends on your wrists and what feels most comfortable. But really make sure that those elbows are really right underneath your shoulders, both as wide as your shoulders are and also forward and back in line with your shoulders. So really get that stable base of your upper body. Then press your hip bones down to the mat, but lift your navel off the mat. So this is the trickiest part of this exercise. Is hip bones have to press down, navel lifts up, really lengthen your spine forward. Your spine is reaching forward to where the ceiling and wall meet in front of you. So really get this diagonal feeling, lengthening the back of your neck, really stretching your spine forward and up. Pressing those hip bones down, lifting your navel up. And keep your collarbones wide open, dropping your shoulder blades down your back, but your spine is reaching forward. Navel lifts up, and keep your upper body like this the entire time. So your upper body is very active. Then bend your right knee, kick your seat twice, and then other side. Kick, kick, lengthen. Kick, kick, lengthen. Good. Keeping those hip bones pressing down, lifting your navel up. Your upper body is working more than your lower body. Really stretching your spine forward and up. Keeping those collarbones open, lengthening your spine forward, navel lifting off the mat. Make sure your navel's not dropping down to the mat. Now with your legs, you can flex your foot so your heel is reaching your hips. But again, it depends on your feet and your hips and your legs and whatever feels most comfortable. It does not really matter too much because most of the work is happening in your upper body. Hip bones pressing down, navel lifting off the mat, open collarbones, long back of your neck. Good. As you're kicking though, really make sure those hip bones are pressing down. If you have tight hamstrings, your hip bones are going to want to lift. Don't let them. Navel lifts, but hip bones press down. And if that means that your knee doesn't bend as much, who cares? Keep pressing those hip bones down as you bend those knees. Don't let your hip bones lift, but do lift your navel in and up and off the mat. Also make sure that the kicks are a full kick. A kick and a lengthen. They're not twitches. Full, very solid kicks. And also make sure that your legs are in complete alignment, meaning that your hip and your knee and your second toe are lining up, that your knee is not doing something wonky, your ankle is not doing something wonky, everything is in a straight line. Really keep that alignment. Hip bones press down, navel lifts up, spine stretches forward.